How to fix spacing in a modified, justified format paragraph in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on File located on top left. Then scroll all the way down till you find More. Click on More, then click on Options. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Advanced. After clicking on Advanced, scroll all the way down in Advanced. You'll find all these lists. Make sure there is tick mark in Don't expand character space on a line that ends with shift plus return. Click on OK. As you can see, there is no space. And that's how you fix spacing in a modified, justified format paragraph in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.